Most people assume the best AI tools cost money, so they never even try. But ChatGPT has a genuinely capable free plan, no credit card, no trial countdown, no catch. In the next few minutes, you will have a working account and your first real business result. Open any browser and go to chatgpt.com. You will land on the main homepage where you can either log in or sign up. Click the sign up button, it is front and center, and the whole process takes under 2 minutes. You can sign up with an email address or use your existing Google or Microsoft account for one-click setup. No payment information is required at any point during free account creation. Choose whatever option is fastest for you and confirm your email if prompted. Once you are in, you are automatically on the free plan, there is nothing extra to activate. The free tier gives you access to GPT-4o Mini, which handles the vast majority of everyday business tasks like drafting, summarizing, and answering questions. You do not need to upgrade to get started. Click into the message box at the bottom and type your first prompt. Start with something you do every single week, summarizing a long email thread, drafting a reply, or outlining a report. Being specific about your role and what you need gets you a much better answer than a vague question. Read the response before you use it, always. Free or paid, AI can miss context or get details wrong, especially with facts and figures. If the first answer is close but not quite right, just reply in the same chat with a quick refinement like make it shorter or use a more formal tone and it will adjust immediately. The free plan also gives you limited access to the full GPT-4o model, which is more powerful for complex reasoning and longer documents. You will see it in the model selector at the top of the chat window. Use those messages for your most demanding tasks and let GPT-4o Mini handle the routine ones. Your conversations are automatically saved in the left sidebar, so you can return to any previous chat and pick up right where you left off. Rename important chats so they are easy to find later, just click the chat title to edit it. This keeps your work organized without any extra effort. The fastest way to see the value is to give it a task you have been putting off. Try asking it to write a meeting agenda, turn a set of notes into action items, or draft a first version of a client email. You will have a working draft in under 30 seconds, something that used to take 15 minutes. That is all it takes, a free account at chatgpt.com, no payment required, and you are ready to save real time on real work. The free plan is a genuine starting point, not a teaser. Pick one task you do every week and try it with ChatGPT today. You will wonder why you waited.